If this is your first time here, you might not know that we do tool tours through tool stores, trying to get you the best deals on tools and tool accessories. Some of the very cool gang that follow along over the last few months have been concerned about the absence of the DeWALT tool deals, especially the carpenters, contractors, and woodworkers. They were concerned because those were the deals that they needed and were missing. Well, we have an epic deal, but it's limited time. When the clock hits 11:59 tonight, the deal is over. So if you like saving money on tools, you should get subscribed and allow notifications, because the notification squad eats first. Never pay full price for tools ever again. Maybe you were watching cat videos, went down the YouTube hole, and landed here. And you're saying to yourself, I'm an accountant, I don't need tools. Well, maybe share this video with your clients or a loved one that does use tools. They'll be happy you did. Think about how good you'll feel when all that love and appreciation gets verbally showered on you because you thought of them and want to help them save money. More importantly, you're helping them to get the tools they need to earn a living, put food on the table, and feed their family. Now, on to, in my opinion, one of the best BOGO DeWALT deals I've seen in a while. When you buy DeWALT's 20-volt max 3-tool woodworking brushless kit that includes their random orbital sander, D-handle jigsaw, oscillating multi-tool that has one of the quickest tool-free blade changes in the industry, a 5-amp-hour battery, rapid charger, and, did I say random orbital sander? You can see that video about that random orbital sander right here. In a bag for $419, DeWALT will throw in their 20-volt max battery lithium-ion 3-pack, which includes a 2, 4, and 6-amp-hour batteries. But wait, there's more. This deal stacks, baby. Right now, DeWALT is running a promo. When you spend $300 or more on select 20-volt max tools, excluding like outdoor power equipment, you'll get an additional 4-amp-hour battery for free. The information to redeem that battery is listed on their website. You gotta go to dewalt.com/offers. And if you like stacking tool deals, and smash the like button because it lets me know you want more. Leave it down in the comment sections below. What tool deal do you need? Because we'll do our best to make the most requested happen for you.